Lesson 4: Rome builds an empire. The leadership of Augustus was the beginning of a time of peace and prosperity for Rome called the Pax Romana that lasted 200 years. Augustus strengthened the army, protected Rome's borders, and rebuilt in marble many of Rome's buildings. He named proconsuls or governors to run each of Rome's provinces. During the AD 100s, Rome was ruled by the five good emperors. They ruled during a time of peace and prosperity and did not abuse their power. They built aqueducts or human-made channels to bring water from the country to the city. By the AD 100s, the Roman Empire was almost the size of the United States today, making it one of the largest empires in history. Roman system of money was used all over the empire. Due to the use of a common money and good transportation networks, trade grew throughout the Roman Empire.